Aba, ang dami pala. Dami palang tao.
Andito ka eh.
Oh my gosh! There's so many people. Hello, guys.
Yes, this is your first time, so we are happy to have you here in the space, Kai. Thank you
This
so
is my
much.
first time.
Yeah.
Yes. Hello.
So what's
Hello,
up,
guys.
Kai?
What?
Kamusta?
I'm doing well po. Thank you for the yung dearest Keisha. I read all of your your messages. Thank you so much. My goodness.
So sabi sa inyo guys, nagbabasa si Kai. Alam niyo lang, ano lang yan, tahimik lang yan, pero nagbabasa. Right, Kai?
Yeah, I read even the message requests.
Sadyang busy lang ang ating Kai, kaya pasensya na kayo kung minsan nawawala-wala ang ating Kai. Pero nandyan lang yan, di ba?
I'm always here.
Yeah. Tignan nyo ngayon, di ba? Surprise! Kahit kami na surprise, my God!
Kahit ako, I was gonna sleep na nandito ako. Let's go!
Oh my God!
Okay, Kai, thank you so much. I know maaga ka pa bukas, so don't be shy na umalis ka dito sa space. If I know na busy ka pa bukas. So busy si Kai bukas, guys. Sadyang napakikisapan.
Oh my God, Rain is here.
Yeah,
Hi, Rain. It's Rain. Can you?
Rain. Oh my gosh, it's actually Rain.
Where is Rain?
Let's where's Rain? Can we request her to join?
Wait, I don't know where
Where are you, Rain?
Mag-request ka, Rain.
Wala na.
Kasi ang raming.
Wala na daw si
I
Rain.
just told Rain I was gonna go to sleep. Tapos nandito pala ako.
Sorry.
It's a prank. It's a prank na mag-i-sleep ka na tapos nandito ka pala.
Ganyan yan lagi si Kai. Mag-i-sleep na daw siya, pero siging phone pa.
It's pampatulog.
Pampatulog.
Okay na yung wifi nyo.
Bro, Rain is here pala.
Where is Rain?
Hi, Rain.
Nag-request.
Hi, Rain.
Oh, accept mo, Kai.
Wait, how?
Hi, Rain. Hi,
Accept
Rain.
Rain. Hi, Rain.
Wait.
Hello! What is this? Wow! First time ko to ha. Bakit nandito ka, Kai?
She's
Ay,
Rain.
Akala ko matutulog ka na rin, Rain.
Wala pa po akong sinasabi. Sabi ni Kai, matutulog na siya.
Wala pa palang sinasabi. Akala namin matutulog na. So, how are you, Rain?
Wow, I'm fine po. Thank you. How are you?
This is your first time? Space, Rain?
Yeah, this is my first time. Paano? Nag-notify kasi.
Oh my God.
Tapos biglang nandito pala si Kai na matutulog nga daw.
Yeah. Sabi nga matutulog na siya pero hindi pala totoo yung matutulog na siya.
What is bro doing in my
Chinek ko lang if legit pala.
Yeah, legit.
It's legit life.
So, ang
Ako po
dami.
yung may
Oh
kasalanan
my
sa lahat.
God.
Sorry po.
Okay, Rain, you can leave now.
Okay po.
Yes.
Wow. Sige, thank you.
No.
Thanks for having me po.
Oh, joke
No,
Thanks for
wait,
having me. Bye-bye.
Wait.
No, I'm tampo.
Oh my God.
Before you leave, Rain, say hi to all your fans here in space. I-greet mo naman sila. Where is Rain? Umalis na. Lagot ka. Kaya ka pa.
Nagtampo si Rain.
Umalis na si Rain.
Hindi, joke.
Wait. Yeah, she probably went already.
Oh.
Ay, naku.
Tampo
Thank you so
na
much,
ang
Kai.
Rain.
We really appreciate
thank you.
it. Na kahit
Thank you, guys.
saglit, you're here.
Thanks for having me
So,
here.
magpahinga ka na kasi maaga ka pa bukas. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you
Tulog
all.
na
Good
ka na.
night. Good night
Bye-bye,
po.
Kai.
Bye-bye.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
I love you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.